Hi. In this video, we will see how to freeze a particular section of a Microsoft Excel sheet. I have some data in a table here. In the first column, we have the names of the people. In the second column, we have their surnames. And in the third column, we have their age. And then we have a lot of entries on the table. As I scroll down the list, I have forgotten which column represents what, because now, the title of the column is not visible anymore. What if the title of each column would stay at its place while we scroll down the data? It's called freezing the view. Let's see how to do that. Click on this view option here. Select the freeze panes option. And select the top row option. Since the titles of the columns are in the top row, we are selecting this option. And now if I scroll down the list, you can see that the titles of the columns stay in their place while we go down. So here, we have frozen the top row of this table. To unfreeze the row, select the freeze panes options again. And select the unfreeze panes option. And the table is working as it was working before, with titles moving as we scroll down. Now, what if I want this entire first column to be frozen? So when I move this sheet horizontally, the first column will stay in its place, while the other columns will move left and right. Let's see how to do that. Select the freeze panes option. Then select the first column option. And now you can see that, as I move the sheet horizontally left and right, the first column stays there, while the other move. To unfreeze the column, select the freeze panes options again. And select the unfreeze panes option. Now, what if I want a specific set of rows and columns to be frozen? For example, I want the first 5 rows and the first 2 columns to be frozen in their position, while the rest of the sheet moves when scrolled. Let's see how to do that. First of all, I select this cell, which is on the 6th row of the sheet and is on the 3rd column of the sheet. So we want to freeze all the rows above this cell. And we want to freeze all the columns to the left of this cell. So in short, we want this much area to be frozen. Now, select the freeze panes option. And click freeze at the selection option. And there you go. As you can see that, the top 5 rows are frozen. And first 2 columns are frozen. So that's it. That's how you can freeze the views in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.